who wants to learn how to make this delicious broccoli cheese deliciousness soup. And it's a lower fat version. That's what I'm making. I have the fan on because I was sauteing onions and garlic. I decided I've got lots of broccoli, so I'm going to add some chicken broth and some carrots, broccoli of course, some cheese, and I have milk and a little bit of some 5% cream. Just added in some carrots. I might add more. And now I'm going to add chicken stock. And I'm going to be blending this all with my hand mixer, so you won't be getting all these chunks. Just added some broccoli and some chicken stock. And I buy the no salt added because I rather add my own. And I had a half a container of chicken stock, and now I'm going to add more. And we'll let this cook up, and I'll be adding some oregano, salt and pepper, and we'll see how it tastes, and of course the milk and cream. Okay, so I'm going to just start adding some milk in, probably about a cup worth. And we're going to let this all boil down, and I like to add just a drop of cream at the end. It's going to be amazing. And of course the cheese. What will it be without some cheese in it? So it's going to come to a boil soon, but I just thought I'd show you what I used again. I didn't show you my onion, but I put in an onion. But first I sauteed garlic to get it brown, and an entire onion, and of course the chicken broth, broccoli of course, the star of the show, some shredded carrots. I make my life easy by having everything already cut up. And I'm going to add some salt, pepper, oregano, and some milk. And I'm gonna just sprinkle in a little bit of cheese, and I use a low-fat cheese. But for more of my recipes, of course, Risa Weiner YouTube. Well, the broccoli is nice and soft. I like to use a big fork to just make sure. And now it's time to blend it all up till it's nice and smooth. If you add to a blender, just add half the amount so that the lid doesn't pop off. And I'll be back. So I added some pepper and some salt, and I have this mozzarella cheddar blend from Walmart, and I use about a handful. And I add that, and I have some Romano cheese. It's by Zerto. I get it at Walmart as well. And then I just mix it all in. I added some oregano as well. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but you can make this in your slow cooker as well. And the longer it cooks, the better the flavor, and it's going to be super delicious. Oh my God, I actually added some Asiago, Romano, and the other cheddar mozzarella blend, and it is super delicious. Hi. So I just want you to see that I'm having my delicious soup. Oh my God. Oh my God. It is amazing. Risa Weiner for tons and tons more recipes.